Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete X account permanently. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an X application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here X application has been opened. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings and support. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. What you have to do is simply tap on the first option, that is your account. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find four options over here: account information, change your password, download and archive of your data, deactivate account. You can see over here there is no direct option for deleting the account, but what you can do is simply deactivate your account. So tap on the option deactivate account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read these informations very carefully. Though you're just deactivating your account, if you do not activate your account within 30 days, your account will permanently be deleted. Also, all your information will be deleted. Your display name, username, and public profile will no longer be viewable on x.com. Likewise, all your other informations will be deleted. So what you can do is simply tap on the deactivate option that you can see at bottom. Now you'll have to confirm your password. Simply enter your password. Now after you enter your password, tap on the deactivate option that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option yes deactivate. Now you can see over here your account is deactivated. Simply tap on the option got it. Now you'll be logged out of your account. Do not log into your account for next 30 days and your account will permanently be deleted. So that is how you delete X account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.